Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am creating a fall flip book that is designed specifically for a set of face masks that I want to gift to my pen pal. So in order to create this flip book, I'm actually using the face masks as a guide. I just placed them on a 12 by 12 piece of paper and cut it to size based on how large I needed the pockets to be. And this is a technique that I have used previously, and at the end of the video I'll show you how I use this in a traveler's notebook as well. But I'm going to just simply decorate the cover using a feather from Bella Boulevard, that's from my stash from a long time ago, as well as some of this collection Fall is in the Air from Echo Park. I've layered some of that polka dot organza from Hobby Lobby. It's like one of my favorite things to use. I'm already worried about running out of it. And then I just layer a doily on top of the feather, and then I use some foam squares to pop up that die cut Thankful and Blessed. And then I am going to pop up this die cut as well. It's actually a sticker that I took, but I used the foam to pop up the sticker so that it matches the same height as the other dimension. And then I'm going to put the banner in underneath here, so that is a cute little added touch. And then I'm going to add some fun little sequins glued to the outside to give a little sparkle, and that's like a really simple cover of the book all completed there. I'm going to go ahead and decorate the inside as well with a few of the remaining stickers that I have and some of the die cuts. I'm just going to layer up a couple of pieces, keeping all the same elements as the outside, with that little bear with a basket, again with the polka dot organza. And then I love these little owls, so I wanted to put some of these owls in the inside of the book as well. So you can see I used the branding strip on the bottom of the collection that says Fall is in the Air to actually create a little extra ephemera piece, and put a little pumpkin sticker over top of it there. I love using those branding strips on the bottom. They're really great, even if it's just a pattern or words. Sometimes it's even the name of the collection. So this is the little book that I have created here, and I just wanted to show you, I have turned it into a specific house for these sheet masks, which was my intention, but you could use this same sort of concept to create traveler's notebook inserts, which I have done in my previous traveler's notebook, and I'll just show you some samples of how I've used this in my traveler's notebook here. You can see that I've used it to basically put in around one of my books. So you can use this same sort of idea, which I have done in many of instances, which is great little pockets for holding stuff for your traveler's notebook. And that's just a fun sort of way to use this same sort of idea. So with this, then you wouldn't have to create this specific binding, which I've created to allow for some thickness of my sheet masks, but you could just do one straight line down the middle, which is how I've created these ones here. And I will link a video here where I've shown exactly how I have done like one of these little tutorials on how to create this here. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.